YouTube is a marketplace. You know, owning a platform or a social media account, or let me say different social media account, is not just about coming out to speak, to face your camera, to do content. No, it's for your business. You know, people use their YouTube handle to promote their business, and you wonder, is it the YouTube or the social media platform that is paying them that massive amount of money? No, but they promote their business. Okay, let's say I have a bigger YouTube channel, I have so massive followers, engagement, and whatever, and I want to promote, you know, what I sell. I want people to patronize me. You know, if I put it out there, it will bring more customer. Let's say I have a product that is in my name and I want to promote it, it will be very easier for me because I have the platform already. That's why they say YouTube is not just a man's job, like a day job that you go and work and you reap the fruit of your labor. No, YouTube takes time. The algorithm takes time, and when they see your effort, they see the work you put into it, they see what you are doing there, they will reward you massively. That's why I tell people to I encourage people to keep doing what they love. Don't quit your YouTube. You know, some people build their YouTube channel for 4 years and now it's paying them. They are happy. It's not by what you see immediately. It's by the, another say when you plant a tree, it doesn't grow immediately. But when it grows, it yields fruits that even your generation will reap, and the children to come, the children, generational children to come will reap from it also. That is what this platform is all about. It's not just coming out to talk, to advise you. No, build your channel now. Don't give up. Even when you are getting low views and low engagement, if you have 1 view on your video and you are not even the one that watch it yourself, you should be happy. Or you have 5 views on your video and you are not the one that watched that 5 videos yourself, you should be happy. That means some people are actually following what you are doing. You know, this platform, I noticed this platform is a kind of place whereby people who like you for who you are will like you, and make sure the things you are bringing out there is educative. Don't just come and say anything. You feel like people are doing this, you think it will work for you. No, YouTube does not work like that. Be educative. That's why you see on my channel, I talk about YouTube tips, I do health care, I do lifestyle vlog, and I do head wrap tutorial. I do things that are educative. That is why I name my channel Folarami Lifestyle, because lifestyle is full of different kind of things. So make sure what you do is educative and it will help your brand. You know, it will help your brand. You will reap the fruits of your labor. So some of you have been wondering how I go about my teaching on YouTube and the way I edit my videos to meet your standard. If you look at my channel very well, you'll see that first 2 years on my channels, the videos there are not really encouraging. But if you see, as time goes on, my editing and my confidence are top notch. So what I'll say